Go AI is a website that allows you to navigate the stock market and actually get some clear insights on which sort of stocks are best for you to pick. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'd like to start this off by saying this is, of course, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just an interesting AI tool that I've discovered and I thought, hey, would be worth showcasing. So what we're going to do today is try and find some high conviction trade ideas. Okay, cool. So we've got an example here is NVIDIA, still a buy after its run. We can try that, and yeah, we can see what we do here or what we get here. So your team tells you when to act. So Go AI is actually a whole team of I guess agents that basically inform you in terms of yeah, what they recommend buying. So what can I do today? Let's go to what can Go AI do, so we can explore some of the picks. So this is just an example. I don't think it's actually saying NVIDIA is a strong buy, just so you know. Cool, but we can see here what we've got on this dashboard. You can see the returns of its picks so far, its win rate, its alpha percentage as well, and its profit factor. Interesting stuff. Okay, we can see the distribution of its portfolio. So energy at the moment, FANG. Okay, interesting stuff. So the return since it picked that is 42.5. Okay, good stuff. It's not too bad. If we go back to monitors, and of course 42.5 is actually really decent. I don't know how long it's been, but there are certain monitors you can actually set up, so it will alert me when NVIDIA pulls back 15% from its 52-week high. Tell me if Tesla closes below its 200-day moving average. Some interesting stuff here. So seems like this is a way to essentially prompt your way into, I guess, monitoring, or to be able to monitor any fundamental or technical forms of analysis. So we've got research and evaluation, technical screening, monitor, and insights. You can even schedule agents and take a look at your investment profile as a whole. So I think what I'll do here is I'll say, when would you recommend going back into NVIDIA? Give me some buy targets and some sell targets. Cool, let's see what we get there. We can see here it's thinking. In any case, we've got, you can add some stocks to your watch list as well if you wish to do so. There are also agent teams. If I bring this out, if I bring this out, we go to agent teams. Let's see what we get here. It seems like this agent teams button isn't actually working. In any case, I think that's something for the guys at Go AI to fix. But yeah, what we'll do, I guess, is we'll take a look at what we're getting here. Or maybe it's because I'm in the middle of this chat. We can see what the NVIDIA fundamentals are. Of course, this has been, yeah, this stock has been growing very much exponentially over the last number of years for obvious reasons, which is, of course, partly why this channel exists. You know, they're fueling the AI boom on the chip level. So we can see here consensus target is $319. Okay, so low would be 218, median's 300. Great stuff. And high would be $500. Cool, great stuff. So yeah, I think that's enough here on Go AI. You can see what it's sort of doing, where we can actually take a look at the reasoning it's taking, and we can see here we've got a nice output being created. So we've got chapter 1, market status and sentiment overview. We can see what's going on today, key technical support and resistance levels. Cool, I'll actually be taking a look at this as I mark up a chart. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Strategic entry zones, a nice one, and strategic exit zones. Great stuff, as well as fundamental catalysts and timing recommendations. Okay, super cool. We've even got some potential follow-up prompts we might want to ask. So yeah, definitely check out Go AI if you think it would be useful for you. It's quite useful. Of course, once again, not financial advice, just a good way to sort of expand your perspective and gain access to new narratives that could be very valuable for you as you navigate the stock market. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.